Okay, so now my student can join this class using this class code by going to his or her own Google account. So in this case here, we're looking at an account that I set up. It's called morrisonsdad@gmail.com, and it goes to classroom.google.com. You can see it's signed in the upper right hand corner with morrisonsdad@gmail.com. Okay. Continue. Okay. Now in the upper right hand corner, we'll select join class, put in the class code, and join. Okay. And now that person is into the class as the teacher. I'll see that that person has now joined the class as well. And then of course I can do all the things that I would do in Google Classroom, including posting assignments, announcements, and reminders. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com and practicaledtech.com.